Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Joseph, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I want to remind you, first of all, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Also, I wanted to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, to your right, there should be a little bell there. Be sure to click that bell so you're notified of any new video that I do put out. Also, if you do find value from the different trainings, the different webinar trainings, and different things that I put out, be sure to like it and, of course, share it with those that may be entrepreneurs, home business owners that may be in affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales. This channel is basically meant to provide you with the tools, the resources, the inspiration to help you grow basically any business that you want to. But per se, mostly in the online marketing, internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing arena. So let's get into this. So I entitled the video, How to Create Webinars That Sell. And this is more so about a live presentation that my good friend Brian Finale over at My Lead System Pro will be doing this coming Wednesday on the 19th. And just so you know, I will leave a link at the bottom so that you can register for that webinar. But let's talk about a little bit about webinars and why you want to be at this live presentation so that you can learn how to create webinars that sell. A webinar, if you've ever one of my previous videos, is one of the 3 skill sets that you as an entrepreneur, as a marketer, need to have. It's one of those skill sets that will allow you to grow your business as fast as you want. Imagine you having maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe even thousands of people that have your attention, that you have their attention, and they basically allow you to present your product, your opportunity, your service, and then at the end, after you have presented your information, you can sell to them. Now, what if you had a blueprint like that, like it says in the copy here? Unlock the 7-step webinar script to create a flash flood of signups, customers, and cash in 60 minutes or less, even if you're brand new. And that's what my good friend Brian Finale is going to be doing for you on this coming Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's the exact 7-step webinar script MLSP used or MySystem Pro used to create tens of millions of dollars in online sales, and now it's yours free. Guys, they're giving it away for free. So if you do want to learn how to create webinars that sell, definitely be on here. As you see here, the timer is going off. You have 4 days to get started. It is September the 9th, Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's my good friend Brian Finale, who's going to be delivering all the goods for you. So guys, that's it. That's it. So if you want to learn how to create webinars that sell, this is an invite to the webinar. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get value out of this video, and make sure that you're on the webinar. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on this coming Wednesday on the webinar to learn how to create webinars that sell. God bless you. Peace.